Hey Tech Fam, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, guys, I'm going to unbox my all-new OtterBox Galaxy S25 Ultra case. Now this is the one that has like the nice sides on it, the nice opaque sides with a little grip, as well as a clear back with a little magnet on it. Now, in case you guys don't know, I've been rocking this case on my phone in the meantime. This is the Galaxy S25 Ultra clear magnet case from Samsung. It is okay for the most part, but however, as you guys could see, let me just get a little focus here. There it goes. Guys could see it's not fully covered up. So I like something that fully covers up the bottom and still gives that protection, because also, as you guys could see, it's not fully it's not a good lift on the screen side. However, I do have a screen protector on this, so this will do the job. It falls on its face. But I want something that has a little bit more ridges on the edges that protect it. So that's why I got this case right here. So let me get it back into focus real quick. There we go. So got this case right here, and I came here to show you guys. I got the one with the green sides, and if you guys do want a link to this case, I'll leave a link in the description down below to my Amazon affiliate link that'll take you right to there. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And for my unboxing knife, I'm going to use the blue and black knife of justice right here, safety knife of justice. All right, let's go ahead, cut this open. Don't want to cut the packaging because it's very important. Okay, might need a little more deeper, so let me adjust the blade. There we go. Alright, that should do it. Alright, put that to the side. And here we go. Alright, toss that out. There we go. This is the OtterBox Defender Pro XT case with the nice, again, opaque sides to give grip, as well as you guys can see a little clear magnet case on it. Check that out right there. Now, there's 7 times as many drops as military standard, which is military standard 810G 516.6. I have no idea what that means, but it means strong enough. Raised edges to protect camera and the screen. That's what I need. Port covers block dust and dirt. That's good to have. Free holster available, so that'll be nice. And built-in anchors to connect phone straps. It says details inside. So I guess you can get the holder in this as well for free. Alright, so let's take a look how we open this up. Adjust the focus. There we go. Let's see, how do we open this up? Okay, open on other end. Okay. Let me just... Okay. Guess we're just gonna have to muscle away in this. Or not. We don't. Let's pull this out. Alright. We got this paperwork right here. It says designed for Samsung. There we go. It's the letter. File that to the side real quick. Alright. File this to the side real quick. Welcome to your OtterBox case. Let's put that to the side. And check this out in green. I kind of like this. I like this. We got a clear magnet right there. We have our camera cutout. We have little port covers and everything. That's it. File off that to the side real quick. It's a little bit dust here and there. Alright. Doing this live. Do a little bit of a dusty mat. There we go. Check this out. Alright. Now, this is the now let's compare this to the Galaxy S25 Ultra Clear case right here. So you guys could see this case is a little bit taller than the case in front. So this is kind of like a thin case right here. But this one with the nice little sides right here, the rubber sides would definitely help protect it. Suppose you got that clear plastic back as well with the magnets, which again we'll test later on in the video. I do also have the Samsung rugged case right here. I did unbox this on my live stream. Again, slightly shorter than the OtterBox, slightly shorter, but with both of these you do have your ports. You do have little ports right here. Except these are more covered and these are just more open. And again, slightly shorter. Alright. So there we go. Right. Let me just peel off. Now, I've heard a lot of people say it's kind of hard to get this clear magnet case off. But for me, I'm going to show you guys. Like, I kind of do it from the side like that. And then easy.
Language model. I can't draw images. Is there
Okay. No. I'm good. I'm good, Gemini. I'm good. All right. So this is my phone right here. Set that to the side. All right. I know this is a two-part case, so probably gotta take off. There we go. This right there we go. Then think kind of phones it's like that, and then you kind of put this little clear bumper in like this. A little bit hard to put on. It's a little bit hard. Yeah, this is a little bit hard to put on. But again, that's probably for a good reason. All right. Alright. Yeah, this is... Alright. Woo! Okay. Woo! Yeah. Take a look at this. Now this is what it's like with the phone in the case itself. Definitely much better. Again, I have the screen protector on here. Alright. Let's take a look. Of course, we got the clear sides. Camera cutouts right there. I'm in the clear back, but we got the nice green sides. At first I was like, I don't know, in green, but I could rock with it. As long as it protects the phone, that's basically I'm all for about. Yep. We have the little, what are you trying to do? We have a little thing right here, glass screen protector. First we have our cutouts for the volume button as well. So those kind of got this little thing right here, thing that's for the holster. Then here we have our little port for the S Pen, which should be easily accessible right there. We have our cutout for the USB-C port, and we have nothing over here. Sides, all clear except for a little holster cutout right here. Nice and green. And of course, we'll have a nice little conversation starter. You can plop it down just fine. I'm going to rock this case on my phone for a bit. And definitely take a look at the holster. But yeah, this is the OtterBox Defender XT case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But wait, we gotta test it out with the magnets. So I got this ESR battery pack right here. As you guys can see, it's all fully charged up. Let's plop it on. Guys can see, it's charging up. Charging up just easy. So this will work with your MagSafe accessories and all that stuff. But yeah, what do you guys think about the comment section down below about this case? I do love it. I ain't gonna be rocking it. But yeah, I thought I'd show this guys off to you real quick. I love this. The blue and the... Okay, I love this. Now, of course, the best combination is you have the J green Galaxy S25 Ultra with the green cutouts. You have a nice self a greened out phone. But this isn't too bad right here. Especially with the screen protector I have on here, which I'm probably going to have to reapply a little bit. So as it the screen protector doesn't delaminate. But overall, I like this. I like this. It's definitely much protective than the other case. But if this had the magnets, hold on. This had the magnets on it, I'm pretty sure you could put like a little magnet ring right here and you'll be fine. But this had the magnet on it built in. I'd rock this. I'd rock this. But yeah, this is the OtterBox Defender XT case. Let me know, guys, comment down below what you think about this. And again, if you guys want to buy this case on Amazon, which I recommend you do, I brought this directly off of OtterBox. Let me know, guys, comment section down below. And I'll give you a link to my Amazon affiliate code so you guys can go check that out. But yeah, that's it for the OtterBox Defender XT case. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, click the bell for more videos like this. Always leave a like, comment, share, and follow my social media favorites on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. You catch you guys for the next video. Have a great day and stay safe. This is Tech Chris signing off. Peace.